Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Joymode Testosterone Support, a men's supplement designed to boost testosterone naturally. Here's our experience. Joymode uses herbal ingredients like fenugreek, Tongkat and ginseng to support vitality and hormone balance. After consistent use, we notice better energy, mood, and workout stamina. However, testosterone supplements like these don't work miracles. They provide a boost, not a transformation. The pros are natural ingredients, better vitality, and no harsh synthetic hormones. The cons are modest results, the price point, and the need for consistency. Overall, Joymode Testosterone Support is legit, but it's not a shortcut. It's best for men looking for a natural edge, not a miracle pill. This has been how to really keep things smart and simple and scam-free.